How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to another episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, we're going to go over our Apex and our Vireo sirens. So I went ahead and hooked up my Apex here, and then you'll see I ran my main power harness to power here, and then I went ahead and hooked up our Z12 linear. Now this is a siren and light controller in one, so you'll see that you have your power button here, and then you have 6 on-off switches, and I went ahead and hooked up my multicolor Z12 linear in red-blue to switch A, and then you'll see that you can easily activate your lights off of your siren switch box, and this is perfect if you need a siren and light controller in one. Now moving to our horn A, horn B, and our siren tones here, you'll see that you have your horn A function, your horn B, and I don't have a speaker hooked up here, but you can hear the tones coming out of the amplifier for reference. And then you'll see that you can easily access your siren tones, so you have wail, yelp, sting, mech, tool, and high-low. And then you have your manual button here, and then if you would like to reprogram your manual button, simply hold down your manual button, and then the siren tone you would like to program it to for a couple seconds, and then you'll see that your manual button becomes the siren tone you selected. For example, here I did sting. And then you have your radio rebroadcast feature here, and then this will override your siren tones. And then finally you have your mic input here as well, and your volume knob. Now another really cool feature with our Apex and Vireo is they are interchangeable. Now the Apex would be ideal for a console setup, and then if you like the more handheld version, you can go with our Vireo. And these are very easy to swap out with the amp here. So let me go ahead and power off my Apex. I'll unplug it here, and then I can simply take my Vireo controller and plug that directly into the amp here. And then you have your Vireo to control your siren now. And then you have the same functions on here, so you have your power button, you have your A, which will activate my multicolor Z12 in red-blue, and then you have your siren tones here, just like we went over on our Apex. You have horn A, horn B, your manual button, and your radio rebroadcast, and your mic is built into the unit on the Vireo. Now both of these units come with their included mounting hardware, so you can easily mount these control heads in your vehicle. And then on the Apex you have your mounting backplate, which you can do the same as well. And then we also offer the Havas console bracket for the Apex. So if you like the more console type setup, you can go with our Apex, or if you like the more handheld type setup, you can go with our Vireo. Or if you would like the flexibility of both, you can purchase one of the units, and then you can purchase the other control head under our replacement parts section if you would like to swap between the two. So that covers our Apex and Vireo sirens. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.